Welcome family and friends to Pagan's Beauty. I hope you're having an awesome and amazing day. In this video, we're turning this purple balayage into a hot pink balayage in foils. I hope you enjoy it and I hope it's easy to follow. My formula is 30 volume with Olaplex in the bleach. And also any products that you might need, I have tagged in the description box. Friends and family, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a like, comment your favorite part, and thank you so much for watching, friends. And until next time, bye.